Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make kefir easy. Start by gathering kefir grains, milk, a jar, and a breathable lid. Rinse grains gently only if necessary and avoid metal contact for long periods. Combine grains with milk and cover loosely. Leave at room temperature until the milk thickens and tangy aroma develops. Strain grains and reuse immediately, and enjoy kefir plain or flavored with fruit or honey. Combine 1 tablespoon of kefir grains with each cup of milk in a clean jar and stir gently. Cover with a breathable cloth or paper towel, secured with a band to allow airflow and block dust. Keep the jar in a warm, stable spot away from direct sunlight and check beginning at 12 hours for texture. When it reaches your preferred tang, strain the grains and transfer the finished kefir to the fridge to slow fermentation. If your kefir turns out too sour, reduce the time it ferments or move it to the fridge earlier to slow activity. For thin or separated kefir, give it a gentle stir or shake to recombine the whey and curds for a smoother drink. If grains seem slow, feed them fresh milk for a few batches and avoid exposure to heat extremes or chlorinated water to maintain strong fermentation and consistent results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.